Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is the evap. I am a Chevrolet dealer and I'm getting a quote for this car. Okay, I'm getting a quote for this car here. Check engine light on, and I come to the dealer. I get this part, original OEM dealer. The difference between OEM and original, and I will show you the code what I am getting. This is an OEM part number. When I smoke the car for evap leak, I'm getting smoke coming from this area here. I also pay one from Duralast. This is like the aftermarket one. It's different. This is from AutoZone. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you what code I'm getting. And the car is not running monitor. Car is not passing inspection because check engine light come on for this code. I'm gonna use this tool here, even though all monitors are ready, but the check engine light is on. So I'm gonna go down, diagnose. This tool here is a quick. You see here, read code, store code, permanent code. Are you serious? And I see check engine light is on. Let me go down to engine. Read code, you see here. Evaporator emission system leak detected, large leak. Only one code. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna erase it. I wanna see the monitor. On, okay, incomplete, okay, incomplete. I have two incomplete. Incomplete, so I'm gonna exit. Erase code. Say yes. Erase is gone. Say okay. Now I'm gonna turn this one off. I'm gonna take this piece and change it. But you're gonna do it like this. Set. One click. This one I'm gonna take it later, and then cut it and put it back. That's for the old one. When I reach at the shop, I will cut it. Thank you for watching. Now we're gonna drive, and hopefully nothing will come on again, and we're not gonna get no leak anymore. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.